Ano naman daw si issue ka sa bago duman?
I don't know. Baka may nangyaring ano.
Paano
Well,
kahit mo yan mag-drive?
it's very dangerous to drive in this kind of weather. Delikado. Nag-snow na naman paano kagabi. Look at this snow here. May mga bago na namang snow. Hi, Mr. Sun. Yeah.
Gumaganda na naman ang mga tao.
Bigat na mga suot natin. Parang lagi tayong may gyera. Ang bigat kaya ng boots. Ang bigat ng winter coat. Mga 1 kilo. Mga 1 kilo. Oh, what's going on? What's going on, man? Basa dito. Nabasa agad.
Kanina hindi naman ito basa.
Hindi man to basa kanina. Baka dahil sa init ng araw. Natunaw na. Oh. Hindi man to basa kanina. Natunaw na. Kaya pumangit na. And busy road. I think there was an accident happened this morning. Yes, because there's a towing. Ano yun? Towing car? Tow car? Tow truck. Oh. Dahan-dahan mag-drive ang mga tao. Masyadong madulas ang daan. Oh. Basta di lang kita sa gilid. Traffic jam na naman ito. Ha? Oh. Okay. Oh, nagzizigzag ang ruwida dad.
Kaya nga
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the oh no.
Delikadong mag-drive.
It's very dangerous. That's why they are driving. Look at that. Oh, the wheels. Yeah, you have to use winter tire.
Dahil nakakapit.
Yeah. Look at that. It's very hard to drive. You have to drive slowly. Madulas ang daan. Daan-daan sila. Look at them, guys. Look at the wheels. The wheels are struggling in this kind of road. Nagzigway yung mga gulong. Ingat-ingat na lang sa pagdadrive. Oh, yun, no? Oh, no. Okay, daan-daan lang kayo. Masyadong madulas ang daan. Keep distance.
Even us, we're walking slow today. Yeah.
Ha?
You're talking in the phone.
You have to keep your distance. Mahirap na. Big love shout out to our 30 live viewers.